1.
Hey guys, it's Tui Snider here. I have not used poi balls for years, but years ago I took Polynesian dance and I did learn how to do Maori dancing, which is from New Zealand, and one of the things my teacher taught us was how to spin poi. And I just got these glowing poi balls off Amazon and I'm going to give them a whirl. Like I said, I'm really out of practice. I haven't done this in years, so let's see how it goes. Woo! See if I can remember any tricks. All right, just a second. Well, we got that going. What else is there? Let's see. That was one. Oops, I'm hitting our rosemary bush. Let's see if I can get it in the front. This is one too. And then you go like this. Let's see if I can go behind my head. Well, that didn't work.